Hello fellas, I have purchased the M89 amps, red lithium-ion, high demand battery from the eBay, and the problem for this one is that it's only 3 or 4 lights glowing when the battery is charged. So I will open it and try to check what's inside. And if you have my camera was charged out because we have changed the camera. I don't know, maybe you have noticed that if you have seen my videos before. Okay, so for this one only 3 or 4 lights works and the battery looks good. Of course we have some dirt here, and yeah, okay, now I will make some measurements on the voltage. Is 4.05, okay, 1.07, and this one shows a little bit smaller. If you can see 3.49, so that can be a problem. I will try to check it like that. Yeah, of course it will show 3.49. Okay, so what can we suspect? We can suspect that we have the problem in the last battery pack. What can we do for this one? We can remove the spot welding for 3 of them, I think, and then we can try to test them again. One of this looks like something was done with it. Okay, maybe no. Okay, we'll check for that. Big plate here. Okay, we'll remove the spot welding and we'll check the cells individually. And I have disconnected the spot welding plate, and I'm measuring these cells. I'm getting only 3.49, and it's on all 3 of them. So what I will try to do, I will try to charge them to the full voltage to be the same as this one, 4.07, 4.07, sorry. As you can see what I'm doing here, I'm balancing all 3 cells with a simple charger. Just soldered the wires and connected them to the cells, and then I will spot weld the nickel plate back. Okay, maybe I'm not the best spot welder here on the YouTube. I have balanced the cells with the charger, spot welded back. Now I want to put the battery assembled again back, and of course then I want to check if I can charge it and everything is good with it. Pressing the battery in. I hope everything goes well here. We'll close the housing and we'll try to put the battery into the charger. Yep, it shows green, so it shows that the battery is charged. Yeah, and it shows all 4 lights on. So that's all. We have repaired this one with an easy fix, just balancing the cells inside. Now I will put the screws back and probably put it to the sale. Thank you for watching, and for this time, bye.